This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. Sir, would you like to share some of your experiences in practice when you deal with the bigger companies? What are their expectations and how will you deliver that?
Oh, lovely. So it's a big transition, Alok. Actually, to be very honest, the flashy lifestyle of a corporate, please understand. Of course, Abhi knows that better. Uh, it's something different, right? You have flashy cars. You stay in some five-star hotels every time. You travel business class. I mean, you are somewhere in the sky. Practice suddenly brings you to the ground level. It's a huge tud. I'll tell you. My days in 2002 and my days in 2003, it's a complete change in my lifestyle, right? Because corporate is corporate, practice is practice. You should understand that. I mean, reality check, right? So when you look at practice, the first few things are very clear. How to cut down. See, practice is like an entrepreneur, right? You are a startup. So you need to be planning everything carefully. Because gone are those days when I used to get lakhs of rupees as salary and then suddenly drop down, look out for my first client, and then I don't know where the client is going to come from. I mean, you guys also are into practice, so you will know
Yes,
better.
yes, definitely.
You
Yes,
don't
same
know where
story,
the
same
clients
story.
are going to come by. I'll tell you. In practice also, you need to be very choosy. You need to be classy. You can be classy. So the first few lessons where some of my young members who joined me in my initial days, I was very clear. All of you will walk in not with your slipper. From head to toe, you will come in as if you are working for a corporate. This is the first lesson I'll tell you, because as company secretaries, we should understand whether you are in corporate or in practice, grooming is very important. How you walk, how you talk, how you behave, everything matters. Please understand. Just because you are in practice doesn't mean you can take life easy. This is my first few lessons which I want to communicate to my student friends. And even as a management trainee, please understand, walk into your organization only in a shoe. Even though your mentor may come in a whatever, in a normal footwear, you are you. Please understand, you are not the firm, because every student is unique. Every student is different. So all these things matter. So coming to practice, very simple. For a student life, whether it is corporate or whether it is practice, it is the same. I don't think they should look at it differently. Whether it is the office timing, whether it is the punctuality, whether it is the grooming, whether it is the way they speak, whether they talk, the way they get into the office, everything matters. I will share with you some of the beautiful stories, Alok. Yesterday's story. Yesterday's story. One of the trainees got absorbed in a lovely large organization, which is my retainer client.
Okay.
What more happiness do I want? And when the client calls up and tells me that, hey, we liked this person because the way you have groomed this person is fantastic. The person is a corporate material. We want the person. And from my perspective, I would always say, whether it was Abhi or whether it was, say, Sumit. Yeah, this is the guy who just got absorbed yesterday. For me, it's okay. Please take, because two things have happened there, right? One, people are happy the way we are training. Number two, the corporate has a lot of confidence in us, saying that, okay, if it is this person, they will perform. So understand, friends, whether it is in the training in a practicing form or whatever, there is always somebody who is watching you. There is always an opportunity that you may get a job. There is always an opportunity that somebody likes you. So please don't compromise the quality in which you are going to deliver, whether it is in a corporate or whether it is in practice.